love learning how you're using HubSpot to scale your business. This month, we have amazing updates to help you grow. But first, did you hear the news? HubSpot is now a leader in the 2021 Gartner Magic Quadrant for B2B marketing automation platforms. We want to celebrate this milestone with you. The report is a culmination of rigorous, fact-based research in specific markets, making HubSpot's achievement of leader all the more important. Our thoughtfully crafted approach, centered around you, your goals, and needs, is what earned this recognition. Thank you for being part of this. We can't wait to share all that's to come with you, our cherished customers who made this possible. On another note, disjointed payment systems are so blech, aren't they? They slow sales, frustrate your team, and disappoint buyers. Instead, opt for a natively built, streamlined process with HubSpot Payments. Through payments, you can power the buyer experience from right inside your CRM platform. Combine commerce and customer insights to deliver a smooth, personalized buyer process across touchpoints like quotes, chat, email, web, and more. Forget chasing payments and tight cash flows. Use this update to introduce new revenue streams, enable touchless sales, and allow recurring payments. Cheers to that! If you've ever wanted to play scientist and experiment, this feature is for you. Sandboxes is like a lab where you can test different customer experience elements before they go live. No lab goggles required. Sandboxes is a safe environment that mimics your production account. Use it to set up sales pipelines without interrupting your team's day-to-day. Test integrations to keep your data clean and build out new modules or web assets before putting them in the hands of your marketers. Never interrupt your team or customers again with an experiment gone awry. There's more updates to see. Head over to our blog for a full list of new features to help you flourish. Catch you soon.